Take-Two CEO just dropped a cryptic GTA 6 release date clue. Leaked. I'm writing your headline right now. Is this the most anticipated game?
Definitely.
I would say most anticipated because everyone got their Harry Potter already. That was a big deal.
That was big, yeah.
I don't know. I kept hearing about it. Apparently some issue because people want to boycott JK, and then it was like everyone was like,
that's the creator of the franchise.
Can I not play my game? And they're like, nah, you can't play the game.
No.
And some people were like, I guess I can't play the game. And other people were like, I'm going to play the game.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
It's a good game.
Man, people got time on their hands. I'll tell you that. People got time on their hands. It's not even, I can't even find, to just play a game is a relief, let alone somebody telling me you can't play the game.
Well, you got to play this one.
This is the game I got to play?
Yeah.
No boycotts? Are you sure?
I hope not.
Okay. The video game industry is shrouded in secrecy as numerous projects are developed quietly behind closed doors. It doesn't stop leaks from happening, though. And a few are as infamous as the Grand Theft Auto 6 leak from September. Oh, yeah. We were like, we can't show this footage. Stuff was being taken. It was super heavy at that moment. Remember, you can't show it. You can't. But you had to be like, well, I watched it. Do you remember that?
Yeah. But I had to describe it, but I felt terrible watching it.
Even you were cryptic about it, just having watched it.
Yeah.
Okay, so arguably the most substantial leak in video game history in terms of volume, as over 90 videos of early footage were shared around the world. Despite this, the leak doesn't seem to have impacted the game's development schedule, according to a statement from Take-Two CEO. A great sign for players. We take leaks very seriously indeed, and they disappoint all of us. It's really frustrating and upsetting to the team. However, as a business matter, we're not affected, but as a personal matter and an emotional matter, our teams are affected. So they're like, we'll still be good, but you should feel bad.
Yeah.
You are bad.
Because our teams feel bad.
You're leaking. Leaker is bad. People watching leaking is bad.
Yeah.
We're all right. We'll be okay, but Willie Do is bad.
Yeah, I'm evil. I'm the worst.
Oh, my God. So what happened? What's the development here? Now we have a date?
So this is more of like a mentality thing where people who watch the leaks expect, well, okay, so just let me reiterate where the leaks were like footage from way back, like years ago.
Yeah.
So since it got leaked in September of this year, people who watched the leak was like, oh, this is where they're at right now, like currently. So they have a mentality of thinking, oh, we're like so far in advance. Like GTA 6 is not coming out until like 10 years later. You know what I mean? Because just watching like the leaks that were like way back.
So these leaks are too far off type of thing.
Yeah,
We can kind of like use this footage to predict the release date, and we think it's far away.
Far away, yeah.
And then this guy comes back and says, actually, no, we're good.
Yeah,
and
we're
then
on track.
People adjust their expectation and say, oh, this particular statement is an indication that they might actually be ahead of schedule.
Yeah, or coming sooner than anyone expects.
I understand.
You know what I mean? But there still isn't a date yet.
Right, but you're saying that this guy's statement is good news.
Yeah, I think so.
When he says it's frustrating and upsetting to the team. However, as a business matter, we're not affected.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, get ready for our game.
Coming out next month.
All right. Okay. I guess that's good.
Yeah.